Hi, I don't even know how to start these anymore because that's just like, should we just like get into it? We're getting into it. Okay, today, guys, we're gonna be making an elevated s'more. And we're gonna be using a lot of different sprinkles, I think. We're just gonna have fun with it. I'm gonna get some plates. Okay, whoa. So I feel like the most important part of the s'more is the, why are you in a fight? I know. The breaking of the graham cracker, because if you mess that up, the whole thing's ruined. People will try and sugarcoat it and be like, no, it's fine if I have like a 3/4 of a graham cracker as the top. It's not. And I'm not even a baker and I know that. Just slide her out. This is what they look like. Very shaky today. Somebody's blood sugar is low. Is that what being shaky means? So how I break the graham cracker is I set her on a plate. Okay. And then I just put a little pressure in the center. And I lift it up. Okay, graham cracker take 2. Honestly, this is gonna be the whole show. Just me trying to get a graham cracker cut in half perfectly. Why did that take me so long to say? Okay, I'll try a different technique. Ah! Second take! Wow, talk about a square. I haven't seen that good of a square. Focus. Okay, we can leave the bottom layer as she is. And then I thought we could dip half of this in chocolate and sprinkles, and it would be sitting on the plate, and people would be like, oh my God, that's so pretty, what is that? And you're just like, oh my God, just something I whipped up in the kitchen. Oh, it's easy homemaker. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna put her in the microwave. As you guys know, she needs a quick stir and a quick, okay. Sometimes you don't need to finish the ends of your sentences because who really cares about them? Put that in your pipe and smoke it. She might need one more go. You know what, we're gonna leave her in the oven like we did last time. I feel like last time she was lonely, so I'm gonna leave the spoon in there with her. Oh, sprinkles. Okay, we're gonna use Cotton Candy Kiss today because she's so pretty. I've never used her, always wanted to. You know that girl that you like always text and you're like, no, we should actually have dinner, but you never do? Tonight's the night you actually have dinner. Bowl shot, coming in hot. I don't understand why more people don't do bowl shots. Hashtag we need more bowl shots. Okay, so now that we did that, we're gonna take the chocolate out of the oven and we're gonna dip it halfway. We're gonna attempt. Guys, this could be the cleanest dip I've ever done. Whoa, I am impressed. I am proud. This is just good. If I were in a competition, they'd be like, yeah, no, it's just good. It's just, you're good. I didn't use my finger at all. And now the infamous dips. I mean, yeah, like the confidence level in this, incredible, out of this world. I broke it! Wow, humble yourself or the baking world will do it for you. The absolute confidence I had was just, you guys knew it was about to happen. You're like, watch this, it's about to break. I feel like my fridge is like watching me. He's like, don't mess this up. I think I'm gonna sprinkle it on top of it so I don't break it because this is literally all I have. She is living her best life. Wow. I wanna do one more because I'm feeling fun and I'm feeling excited. I'm gonna be using Call Me Maybe because I love her. Hi. Yeah, no, it's me. Well, okay. There's dark purples in this. Guys, I was babysitting my nephew this weekend and all of a sudden I just like looked down and he just like was peeing on the floor. And I was like, what? What? Why? Yeah, this is good. She looks good. Oh my God. I mean, I wouldn't call her maybe, I would call her definitely. What? Are you kidding? Best thing I've ever done in my life. Hands down, hands down, hands down. There's a star. ADD. I miss my drill. I just miss it. Okay, so we just finished the top half of the s'more and the bottom half of the s'more is easy. You just put them on plates and put some marshmallows. Normally you use big ones, but we used Instacart today and we're okay with it. I used 11 baby little s'mores and I don't think we even need to put chocolate on them because the chocolate is on the top of the s'more. We've reinvented the s'more. Guys, who do I call? Oh my God, I reinvented the s'more. No, it's a classic and I reinvented it. I just made it a modern classic. Call Twitter, bye. I'm gonna put this in for like 15 seconds. Oh, they're blowing up. They're getting big. Whoa, whoa. Only use 9, only use 9, only use 9. And you have to work quick because time is not in your favor. Work smarter, not harder. Did I use it? Oh my God, the stress. Oh my God, is it melting? Oh my God. Wow, we did it, kind of. No, we did it. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, this is amazing. She's a little messy, but she's beautiful, just like her sister. I'm happy for them that they get to experience life outside of the jar. Like, how's it feel, you guys? How's the daylight feel? Being cooped up in that little jar. And now we eat. Okay, we're gonna go with Cotton Candy Kiss first. The nostalgia in that bite almost just made me cry. Wow. And like there's so many textures. There's a graham cracker texture, and then there's like the chocolate flavored that's kind of been like hardened in the fridge, so it's good, but the marshmallow is soft. And like you put it all together and it's just like an explosion of flavors in your mouth. Yeah. I'm having a battle in my head right now. Do I take the bite or do I not take the bite? I'll cook the bite. Magic in the kitchen? No, fancy sprinkles in the kitchen. Is that your new tagline? Thank you for watching. What an incredible show today. Thank you to the cast and crew. I want to thank Tracy, my Instacart shopper, for doing an incredible job. I want to thank Fancy Sprinkles once again. Danny, thanks for, I want to thank my parents for like having me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week, probably, because that's how it works. Okay, bye.